Hello, good morning students. Welcome to St. Xavier's School Botat. Today we will see the next part of our chapter 2 components of food. Hello, good morning students. Now today we'll see the last part of our chapter number 2, that is components of food. Up to now let us first take quick revision. So what we have taught in last 4 videos, that is in the different state of or different countries there is variety of foods, and one for making one items or food items we need ingredients. Okay, many ingredients. Okay, now then after that, why we need food? For energy, and food contains many nutrients. Which nutrients are there? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and in additional we also need dietary fibers and water. After that we saw that the taste of carbohydrates and proteins and fats. Okay, for carbohydrate we took the iodine solution, it changed or it turns into bluish black. For protein we took copper sulfate and caustic soda, it also changed to bluish black. And at last for fat taste we crumbling the things and wrapped into the paper, so we can see the page of the oil. After that, what do various nutrients for our body? That we come to know that carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving food, while protein is body building, it need for our growth. And okay, from pulses we get proteins, or we also we need some minerals and vitamins. Okay, there are many types of vitamins: vitamin A, C, D, B, E, K. There is group of vitamins B1, B2, B3. Okay, and dietary fibers we need for our, it contains roughage, so because of it we don't get the constipation problem. And water is also needed for our body. After that, move on the our next point, that is 2.3, balanced diet. Now what is balanced diet? See, the food we normally eat in a daily day is our diet. Okay, but for growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities, not too much of one and not too little of other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. See students, क्या बोल रहे हैं? What are they trying to tell us? जो हम एवरीडे खाते हैं फूड, उसका जो प्रपोर्शन है, जो भी सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, हाउ मेनी न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर देयर? See, first is carbohydrates, second proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers and water. Okay, 7 things we need for our balanced diet, and we need in proper proportion. Proportion means praman, matra. Okay, not too much, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, not too little, बहुत कम नहीं. Okay, such diet is called balanced diet. Okay, do you think all the people want same type of balanced diet? So prepare a chart, whatever you eat over a period of a week, check whether all the nutrients mentioned are present in all the food. Now look at in the second paragraph, pulses, groundnuts, soybean, sprouted seeds, मूंग and bengal grams. Fermented foods, fermented यानी आथा वाली वस्तु, ठीक है, ढोकला, इडली and dosa, all a combination of flours. Flour mean loaf. Okay, combination misi roti, thepla, banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery. Okay, available vegetables and other such foods provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food materials. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें बहुत ही सब एक्सपेंसिव खाना है, हम ऐसी जो भी हमारे घर में वैरायटी फूड आइटम्स है वो खा के भी वी कैन हैव अ बैलेंस डाइट. Are you aware of some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparation? See, जब हम कुकिंग करते हैं या उसकी कुछ प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो some nutrients get lost. Why? देखो मम्मी ना बहुत ज़्यादा बॉईल करती है तो भी जो उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो चले जाते. अगर हम राइस या पल्सेस को बार बार धोते तो भी उसमें से जो विटामिन या न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो चले जाते. और जो विटामिन सी है ना gets easily destroyed by heating during cooking. So make food with the proper care, okay? So we get all the nutrients which contain it, okay? Now Bujo, see the Bujo, how fat he is looking. Bujo thought that fat would be the best food to eat. Bujo ने क्या सोचा कि जो फैट वाली आइटम है ना वही खाओ क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा एनर्जी मिलती है. As we know, the fat and carbohydrate both are energy giving. We get energy from the both types of nutrient. But जो फैट है उसमें ज़्यादा मिलती है. तो बुजू ने क्या सोचा, चलो चलो ज़्यादा फैट वाली चीज़ें खाते. और बुजू क्या खाने लगा, समोसा एंड पकौड़ा एंड भजिया एंड ऑल दैट एंड बिकम सी हाउ ही लुक्स. सो it's right? No, of course not. It can be very harmful for us to eat too much of fat rich foods and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. See, जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं फैट वाला और हमारी बॉडी में जो फैट का स्टोरेज बढ़ जाता है, दिस कंडीशन इज़ नोन एज ओबेसिटी. Okay, now 2.4 deficiency disease. Sometimes person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not be contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency यानी कम होना. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can be causes disease or disorder in our body. Okay? Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. If a person does not get protein in his or her food for a long time, he or she is likely to have stunt growth, swelling face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient in the both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may be stopped completely. जिसको अपनी डाइट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और प्रोटीन्स नहीं मिलता है उनका ग्रोथ कम्प्लीटली स्टॉप हो जाता है. सच ए पर्सन बिकम वेरी लीन एंड थीन, सो वीक. ओके, आपने कुछ चिल्ड्रन देखे होंगे जिनका हाथ पैर बहुत पतले होते एंड जो उनका स्टमक है इट लुक्स वेरी टमी टमी टाइप. ओके, all deficiency disease can be prevented by taking balanced diet. In this chapter we ask ourselves the reasons why widely varying food from different regions had common distribution. This distribution we find ensures that our meals have a balance of different nutrients needed by the body. Now here they have given some disease or disordered causes by deficiencies of vitamins and minerals. Now first vitamins are vitamin A. Because of deficiency of vitamin A we get the loss of vision. What are the symptoms? Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, night, sometimes complete loss of vision. See, अगर विटामिन ए की डेफिशिएंसी होगी तो at night after evening the people cannot see clearly or sometimes they get completely blindness. Okay, vitamin B1, beriberi, the deficiency disease is beriberi. So symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, disease scurvy. Symptoms bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. गम दांत में से उसमें से खून निकलना, ब्लीडिंग होना और कुछ भी वाउंड हुआ तो उस पर जल्दी से अच्छा नहीं होता. ओके, इट्स हील मीन्स रूह जाना. विटामिन डी, रिकेट्स. ओके, बोन्स बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड बेंट. कैल्शियम, बोन्स एंड टूथ डिके, वीक बोन्स टूथ डिके. आयोडीन डिजीज, goiter. Symptoms, glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and low performance. Children who do not get enough healthy foods maybe face growth and development problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infections. A balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. That means हमारी बॉडी को वर्क करने के लिए बैलेंस डाइट है वो बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन देता है, जिससे हमें इन्फेक्शन या कोई डिजीज़ नहीं होता है. और जो चिल्ड्रन हेल्दी फूड नहीं लेते दे हैव मेनी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ग्रोथ और उनका स्टडी में भी ध्यान नहीं देता है. ओके, और फ्रिक्वेंट उन्हें इन्फेक्शन लग जाता है. मीन्स अगर कोई भी सीज़न चेंज हुआ या वायरस होता है तो फर्स्ट इन्फेक्शन उनको लगता है. So children, please take the balanced diet, okay, and eat all types of food. As you can see in this chart, we need 25% protein, 10% fats, 40% fruits and vegetables, and 25% fibers. A balanced diet is a key to healthy living. So please eat all types of food and don't eat that junk foods and outsider foods. Okay, you can see in the pictures there are all types of food shown in the picture of balanced diet. Okay, now next, this is the picture of deficiency disease of vitamin C, that is scurvy. You can see how that tooth decay becomes. This is the picture of rickets, which can be because of deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, this is the images of that night blindness, which occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, now next is these are the examples of goiter. Okay, so it is due to iodine, deficiency of iodine, and these are the pictures of obesity children. So you don't eat the junk foods and more. Okay, this is the example or images of beriberi, deficiency of vitamin B. These are the images of anemia. See how their palm is become yellowish because there is a lack of hemoglobin. Okay, so thank you students.